Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. If you're new here on this channel, we are focused on sharing real work from home job leads, helping you with that work-life balance, working from home and living your best, healthiest, happiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Bonusly. Now, I have shared this company and this job lead or a job lead like this from this company on my channel before, but some companies are just very focused on working from home and hiring remote workers only. So some companies tend to hire more remote workers than other companies, and so that's why some companies will be shared more than others. But with that being said, Bonusly is a company that runs a software platform that helps employers reward and recognize their employees. They are hiring a customer support specialist to work remotely. This is for my United States folks only. This is a software startup company, which means they have great pay and great benefits. Most startup companies are still trying to prove themselves, and they will pay to have the right people help them get their company going and off the ground. So they are looking for someone to be a customer support specialist to become an expert on the Bonusly app, and you will coordinate across different departments and provide support through all stages of the customer's journey. You'll execute delightful day-to-day customer support experience, including responding to their questions, which can come through phone, email, online chat, or sometimes video messaging, and you'll follow up on any technical issues that they have. You'll provide technical support and troubleshooting to them. You'll help identify bugs with the software. You'll also help them navigate their billing concerns and also coach them on best practices for using the software program. So you'll have to be able to follow a knowledge-centered support process. You'll have to be able to investigate bugs and file tickets, and you'll have to be able to collect customer feedback and advocate for the customer's needs across different departments. Now, they are looking for someone who has 1 year of experience in a role at a SaaS organization and someone who has some basic web technologies experience, including APIs, SAML, and SFTP integrations, someone who is a patient and enjoys helping customers. They are looking for someone who is comfortable working in a team environment, great at problem solving, and a fast learner. Now, the target hourly pay for this position starts at $22 an hour and goes all the way up to $29 an hour. The pay you are offered is, of course, dependent on experience and location. It also says they have a target equity range of 0.005% up to 0.015%. So it sounds like they give you equity in company stock. And because they are a startup company, they offer great benefits, including fully covered and paid for medical, dental, vision insurance, and fully covered and paid for short-term and long-term disability and life insurance. So you don't have to pay any premiums out of your paycheck. They pay for all of that. They offer 401k matching as well. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you are looking for down in the comments below, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.